I am so hungry. Let's see what's in here to eat. Some dang on beans. Tortillas. What the heck? Somebody need to go grocery shopping here. Nothing in here. What do I do? Popeyes ain't selling no more chicken sandwiches. I don't want no cookies. I don't want no chips. It's definitely got to be something in here. Man, whose turn was it to go grocery shopping? Was it my turn? I don't remember. A damn thing in here. Let's see my son do this. Okay, let me pull up a chair and take my time. Cause I gotta be missing something. This ain't no way. It can't be nothing to eat. This don't make no damn sense. I don't know who was responsible for grocery shopping this time. Man, screw it. Wait a minute. I thought I saw a whole chicken in here. I guess I eat that on some bread or something. And some celery. That's a sad refrigerator, y'all. Okay, so I guess I'll take this chicken I found and whip up a chicken salad. So I'm just gonna chop up the celery, chop up that onion right there, and let's see what happens. Ain't nobody got time for all that chopping. I forgot I had my little handy ninja. Y'all better get y'all one of these or a little food processor. It make chopping go so much easier. So I'm just gonna cut up that onion a little bit and throw it in here and chop it up as well. For me while I cook. Peace.